Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I will be unboxing a package. I'm not even sure what it is yet, so we will find out together. I will actually cut the tape there, and then cut the bag. So it is my kalimba here, so nice. I will just cut it open. I haven't got my notation book yet, but I will once I get my book, then I will play a few tunes for you guys. Remove the packaging here. Here's the kalimba here. I got a 10-key kalimba from donnamusic.com.au, and so here's the box. I'm not sure how to open this box yet, but here we are. Okay. This box, I think, goes this way. There we are. This box actually lifts up here, and here is my kalimba in the box. This is what a kalimba looks like. So I will take it out and then put the box to one side. Then take this out of the packaging. So remove the plastic piece. And then push this out of the foam. I'm not sure what this hammer is for, but if you guys know, please let me know what this is for. If it's for playing the keys, then yeah, but if it's for something else, just please let me know. And so, what comes with it is the kalimba itself. Then you have some extra stuff like microfiber cloths and stuff like that. And also the notation is very different from other instruments. You've got numbers and letters in this case. And then you've got an instruction manual, basically, with the chord list and some simple songs that you can play. And a carrying case so that you can carry it anywhere you want. And that's about it. So yeah, thank you for watching. To support me further, please like, share, subscribe, and God bless. Thank you.